Hey, Evan.
Hi, Mauro.
How you doing?
I'm doing very well.
I'm telling you, the house looks amazing. Looks great. You've done a lot of work since the last time I was here, and it looks perfect. I like the body color, this nice gray. The trim looks nice, and the black windows, classic, perfect.
Thank you.
Well, let me ask you this. How did you get all this work? By yourself?
Mostly. I've had some friends help out here and there, but it's just been a lot of hours on the ladder. Scraping, spackling nail holes, caulking seams, bondoing old windowsills in the front, and then my mom is also chipping in on the front porch.
You got hands on too.
Oh yeah, well that's where I get it from. This is the straightforward part.
Right.
Body color, trim color, it's obvious. But in the back, I'm really not quite sure of what to do back here.
Let's take a look at it.
So this is what I was talking about, right?
Right.
We've got window trim, column, which would also be white trim, window trim, and then as we keep coming this way, you know, same thing. More column, more window, more trim. It just seems like a lot of white.
I know it's going to be quite a bit. Do you have any idea what you would like to do here?
Yeah, you know, the rest of the house trim is all satin white, right?
Yeah.
I was thinking about trying to punch this up a little bit and going to like a semi-gloss or a full gloss just to give that little bit of differentiation.
Same white?
Same white.
Well, honestly, I don't think you add anything. I would keep the same consistent finish throughout this back.
Okay.
But I have a suggestion for you.
Sure.
You see in this panel here?
Yeah.
I would bring the body color into that.
Okay.
All right? Not the edges, not there, not here. Just the panel in itself.
Sure, because I guess technically that would be body color, right?
Absolutely.
But just that little bit of gray is
Just
enough?
a little bit of gray. You get two more to do. And also, just to add a little more, you see that little cap right up above that column?
Oh yeah, sure.
Body color right there too, the gray.
Okay.
And then I notice that you have a PVC waterboard in here.
Right.
The right way to do it, first you're gonna clean up and then you're gonna apply a coat of bonding primer to it.
Bonding primer. Okay. I can't just use my regular
You
paint?
can. Bonding primer is specific for a hard surface to hold paint on it.
Okay.
And this is one of them. First thing we gotta do is cleaning really well.
Okay.
Okay, I don't like to use water, and what I like to do is using denature alcohol. I like to use this because it cleans better and dries faster than water.
Okay. I can see how well that's cleaning it up. Looks good and ready for paint.
Nice and clean.
And I'll be honest, I mean, while you're here, I would love any other advice that you could possibly give me.
Absolutely. I noticed that you've been using a 2.5 inches angle cut brush to paint a lot of stuff in this house.
Yeah, mostly.
For large areas like this, I would suggest you to get like a 4-inch straight cut brush. Okay. That will give you long strokes and will show less brush marks. And for a surface like this, maybe like a 3.5 inches, because you still have some cutting to do, angle cut brush will be perfect.
Thanks.
All right, man.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.